Hi, my name is Vaughn, and today we will be making the world's smallest disco bath bomb. Compounding will be done by Gladice. This product is perfect for anyone wanting to have a little party in the tub this holiday season. It even features vegan popping candy, so you can hear the fun while getting your soak on.
What?
This bath bomb contains 6 different mixes: green, orange, yellow, pink, blue, and black. Each mix is prepared in a similar way. First, Gladice adds a good amount of sodium bicarbonate to the mixer. Then she combines her color and essential oils and blends everything together. For anyone curious about the scent, this bomb contains lime, grapefruit, and cognac oils to keep you feeling fresh and at your best before that holiday party. Since the black mix is used as the base for this bomb, this is where we add in the vegan popping candy for an extra crackle in the bath. Our pink mix also gets a hint of glitter because what's a party without a bit of sparkle? Each mix is poured and then sent over to be pressed into a signature bath bomb shapes. Our colored mixes are pressed first into a smaller circle, and then these are added to molds and topped off with a healthy scoop of our black mix. Once that's done, you are ready to have the world's smallest disco in a tub near you.
And that's how you made the world's smallest disco bath bomb.
Thank you for watching. Be sure to leave a comment below so that we know what to make on our next How It's Made video.